Hello. Welcome. Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Allow your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. Tonight, I will softly guide you through 100 calm facts about stars. Let each word drift slowly, like light traveling through space. And simply listen. Fact 1. Stars are enormous spheres of glowing gas, floating quietly in the vastness of space. Most stars are made mainly of hydrogen, the lightest element in the universe. Deep inside a star, pressure and heat gently combine hydrogen atoms, releasing energy as light and warmth. This slow and steady process is what allows stars to shine for millions or even billions of years. You can imagine a star calmly glowing, without hurry, without effort. Fact 2. The light from many stars travels for a very long time before it reaches your eyes. Some starlight begins its journey years, decades, or even centuries ago. As that light moves through space, it passes quietly through darkness, never rushing, never stopping. When you look at a star tonight, you are gently receiving a message from the past. Fact 3. Because light takes time to travel, every star you see is a memory. You are not seeing the star as it is right now, but as it once was. Some stars you see tonight may have changed, or even faded away, yet their light continues its peaceful journey until it softly reaches Earth. Fact 4. Our sun is also a star, even though it feels familiar and close. Like other stars, the sun produces energy deep within its core. That energy slowly moves outward, eventually becoming the light that warms your skin during the day. The same gentle processes that power distant stars also quietly sustain life on Earth. Fact 5. Stars shine because of nuclear fusion, a calm and balanced reaction happening deep inside them. Hydrogen atoms slowly combine, forming helium and releasing energy. This energy presses outward, balancing the inward pull of gravity. That balance allows stars to exist peacefully, neither collapsing nor exploding. Fact 6. Some stars are much larger than our sun. These massive stars can be hundreds of times wider, glowing intensely in space. Their size allows them to shine brightly, but it also means they use their energy faster. Even the largest stars must eventually rest. Fact 7. Other stars are smaller and cooler than the sun. These smaller stars burn their energy very slowly. Because of this, they can shine quietly for trillions of years. They are among the most patient objects in the universe. Fact 8. Stars are born inside vast clouds of gas and dust. Over time, gravity gently pulls this material together. As the cloud slowly collapses, heat builds, until a new star begins to glow. Star birth is not sudden. It is gradual and calm. Fact 9. The clouds where stars form are called nebulae. Nebulae drift silently through space, shaped by gravity and light. Some nebulae glow softly, while others remain dark and quiet. Within them, new stars patiently wait to be born. Fact 10. Gravity plays a gentle role in the life of every star. It slowly gathers material, holding stars together. Without gravity, stars would drift apart and never shine. This invisible force quietly shapes the universe, without sound, without effort. Fact 11. Stars come in many different colors, including red, orange, yellow, white, and blue. A star's color tells a quiet story about its temperature. Blue stars are very hot, while red stars glow more gently, with cooler surfaces. Fact 12. Blue stars burn their energy quickly, shining intensely but briefly. Red stars burn their fuel slowly, with calm and steady light. Because of this, red stars often live much longer, remaining peaceful in space for billions of years. Fact 13. Most stars you see at night are much larger than they appear. They seem small only because they are incredibly far away. Even the faintest star is often larger than entire planets, quietly glowing across enormous distances. Fact 14. Stars are rarely alone. Many stars exist in pairs or small groups, gently orbiting one another. These systems are called binary stars, and they move together in slow, graceful patterns, balanced by gravity. Fact 15. Some stars belong to much larger families, called star clusters. These clusters contain hundreds or even thousands of stars. They form together from the same quiet cloud of gas and continue drifting together through space. Fact 16. As stars age, they slowly change. Over very long periods of time, a star may grow larger, cooler, or dimmer. These changes happen so gradually that the universe hardly notices, as stars calmly move through their life cycles. Fact 17. When a star begins to run low on fuel, its balance gently shifts. Gravity pulls inward, while energy pushes outward. This slow change causes the star to transform, not suddenly, but with quiet patience, over millions of years. Fact 18. Some aging stars expand into red giants. They swell outward, becoming much larger than they once were. Their light becomes softer and warmer in color. These giant stars glow calmly, like embers, as they approach the later stages of their lives. Fact 19. Not all stars end the same way. Some gently fade, releasing their outer layers into space. Others end in powerful explosions, spreading elements across the universe. Even in endings, stars contribute quietly to new beginnings. Fact 20. The elements inside your body, such as carbon and oxygen, were once formed inside stars. Long ago, stars created these materials and released them into space. In this way, you are gently connected to starlight and ancient cosmic history. Fact 21. Stars slowly move through space. Even though they appear still, they orbit the center of their galaxies, traveling in gentle paths that take millions of years to complete. Every star you see is quietly on a long journey, drifting peacefully through the cosmos. Fact 22. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, spread across vast spiral arms. These stars move together, bound by gravity. From Earth, the Milky Way appears as a soft band of light, stretching across the night sky. Fact 23. The Milky Way is so large that light takes about 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. This means every part of the galaxy exists in a slightly different moment in time, yet it remains calm and connected, moving together as one quiet system. Fact 24. There are many galaxies beyond our own. Each galaxy contains its own collection of stars, slowly spinning through space. Some galaxies glow brightly, while others remain faint and distant. Together, they fill the universe with quiet motion and endless depth. Fact 25. When stars explode, they create shock waves that ripple through space. These waves compress nearby gas, helping new stars form. In this way, even powerful events lead to gentle creation. The universe continuously recycles itself, without rush, without noise. Fact 26. Some stars rotate very slowly, taking weeks or months to complete a single turn. Others spin more quickly, yet still follow predictable patterns. This steady rotation helps stars remain balanced, quietly holding themselves together as they shine. Fact 27. Stars can have planets orbiting around them. These planets move in gentle paths, guided by gravity. Some stars may host many planets, forming entire solar systems. Across the universe, countless worlds quietly circle their stars, unseen and patient. Fact 28. The space between stars is not completely empty. It contains thin clouds of gas, dust, and faint energy. Though spread very far apart, these materials slowly drift, helping shape future stars and galaxies. Even emptiness has a gentle presence. Fact 29. Stars do not flicker on their own. The twinkling you see is caused by Earth's atmosphere as starlight passes through moving air. Far beyond our planet, stars shine steadily, unchanging, and calm. Their light remains constant, even when it appears to shimmer. Fact 30. Some stars pulse gently, growing slightly brighter and then dimmer. These changes happen in slow, predictable rhythms. Astronomers use these pulsing stars to measure vast distances. Even subtle movements can reveal deep truths when observed with patience. Fact 31. Some stars are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. These stars are called neutron stars, formed when massive stars collapse. Despite their density, they remain incredibly small, quietly spinning in the darkness of space. Fact 32. Neutron stars rotate very quickly, sometimes hundreds of times each second. As they spin, they emit gentle beams of energy. When these beams sweep past Earth, the star appears to pulse. These pulsing stars are called pulsars, steady, precise, and incredibly reliable. Fact 33. Some stars are surrounded by disks of dust and gas. Within these disks, planets slowly form. Over millions of years, tiny particles gently collide, stick together, and gradually grow. From quiet beginnings, entire worlds are patiently shaped. Fact 34. Stars influence the space around them through light and gentle stellar winds. These winds slowly push nearby gas, shaping clouds and carving delicate patterns. Over time, stars help sculpt the environments where new stars may form. Their influence is subtle, yet far-reaching. Fact 35. The largest stars in the universe are called supergiants. They can be hundreds of times wider than our sun. If placed in our solar system, some would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. Despite their size, they shine with quiet steadiness until their energy is finally spent. Fact 36. Stars are measured by their brightness. Some appear bright because they are close. Others appear bright because they produce enormous amounts of energy. Astronomers carefully compare this light to understand a star's true nature, patiently studying patterns across the sky. Fact 37. Over time, stars slowly drift apart from their birth clusters. Gravity gently reshapes their paths. Eventually, many stars travel alone, separated from their original neighbors. Yet even alone, they remain part of larger galactic systems, quietly moving with countless others. Fact 38. Some stars are nearly as old as the universe itself. These ancient stars formed shortly after the first galaxies appeared. They contain very few heavy elements, preserving clues about the early cosmos. By studying them, scientists gently look back in time, toward the universe's beginning. Fact 39. Stars release energy not only as visible light, they also emit heat, radio waves, and other gentle forms of radiation. Most of this energy passes harmlessly through space, quietly filling the universe without sound or force. Fact 40. When stars end their lives, they return material back to space. This recycled matter becomes part of new stars, new planets, and new systems. Nothing is truly lost, only transformed. The universe continues its slow cycle, creating, resting, and beginning again. Fact 41. Stars do not all shine at the same steady level of brightness. Some stars gently vary, becoming slightly brighter and then slightly dimmer. These changes happen in calm and predictable cycles. By observing these patterns, astronomers learn about a star's size, distance, and internal structure. Fact 42. Some stars are part of multiple star systems, with 3 or more stars gravitationally bound together. These stars move in complex, yet stable patterns. Over long periods, their orbits remain balanced, guided by gravity. Even complexity can exist peacefully when forces are in harmony. Fact 43. Stars gradually lose mass through gentle stellar winds. These winds flow outward, carrying tiny particles into surrounding space over millions of years. This slow loss changes a star's shape and affects nearby gas clouds. The process is quiet and almost unnoticeable, yet constant. Fact 44. Some stars collapse into black holes at the end of their lives. Black holes are regions where gravity becomes extremely strong. Even so, they remain silent and invisible. They influence space gently, through gravity alone, shaping the motion of nearby stars without light or sound. Fact 45. Black holes often form from the most massive stars. After these stars exhaust their fuel, gravity causes them to collapse inward. The result is an object with immense density, yet no visible surface. Despite their reputation, black holes do not wander aggressively. They simply remain, quiet and still. Fact 46. Stars near black holes can orbit them in slow, graceful paths. By watching these stars move, astronomers can detect black holes, even though they cannot be seen directly. Motion reveals presence, without the need for light. The universe often communicates through gentle movement. Fact 47. Some stars explode in events called supernovae. These explosions briefly shine brighter than entire galaxies. Afterward, the remaining material spreads outward, cooling and slowing. This material becomes part of space, eventually helping to form new stars. Even dramatic moments lead back to calm creation. Fact 48. Supernovae help distribute heavy elements, such as iron and gold. These elements travel through space, becoming part of planets, moons, and living beings. Long ago, a star's final moments helped shape the world you live on. This connection remains, quiet and profound. Fact 49. Some stars collapse into white dwarfs. These are small, dense objects, roughly the size of Earth. White dwarfs no longer create energy, yet they continue to glow softly, releasing stored heat. Over billions of years, they slowly cool, fading peacefully into darkness. Fact 50. The universe does not hurry. Stars take millions or billions of years to change. Their slow pace reminds us that time can stretch, that processes can unfold gently. As you listen, you can allow yourself to slow down too. Fact 51. Stars are not scattered randomly. They follow the structure of their galaxies, moving along spiral arms or clustered near galactic centers. Gravity gently organizes these patterns, creating balance and order. Even across vast distances, stars remain part of a larger design, quietly connected. Fact 52. Galaxies slowly collide and merge with one another. When this happens, stars usually pass by without touching. The spaces between them are incredibly wide. These cosmic mergers unfold over hundreds of millions of years, slow, silent, and graceful. Fact 53. When galaxies merge, new waves of star formation often begin. Gas clouds compress gently, triggering the birth of new stars. Even large-scale change can lead to fresh creation. The universe responds to movement with renewal, rather than destruction. Fact 54. Some stars travel far from where they were born. Gravitational interactions can slowly change their paths. Over time, these stars become wanderers, moving alone through the galaxy. Even so, they remain guided by gravity, never truly lost. Fact 55. Stars emit energy in steady streams. This energy creates pressure that balances gravity. As long as this balance remains, the star continues to shine calmly. When the balance slowly shifts, the star gently changes, transitioning into new stages of life. Stability and change exist together, without conflict. Fact 56. Some stars spin faster when they shrink. As their size decreases, their rotation speeds up. This is similar to a figure skater pulling in their arms to spin faster. The universe often follows familiar patterns, repeating them on many scales. Fact 57. Stars help shape galaxies through their light and energy. Over time, their radiation influences how gas moves and cools. This process determines where new stars can form. In this way, stars quietly guide the future structure of their galaxies. Fact 58. Some stars shine mostly in invisible light. They emit energy in wavelengths the human eye cannot see. Special instruments translate this energy into images and sound. Through careful observation, hidden stars are gently revealed without disturbing their calm presence. Fact 59. Stars slowly age based on their mass. Smaller stars live longer, burning fuel patiently. Larger stars live shorter lives, using energy more quickly. Each star follows its own timeline, neither early nor late, just right for its nature. Fact 60. No two stars are exactly the same. Each one has a unique mass, temperature, and history. Yet together, they create patterns that feel familiar and ordered. The universe balances individuality with harmony. As you listen, you can rest within that balance too. Fact 61. Stars follow predictable laws of physics, yet their outcomes feel poetic. Simple forces like gravity and pressure combine to create light, warmth, and motion. From these quiet rules, the universe builds beauty, slowly and without intention. Order emerges naturally, allowing stars to shine without effort. Fact 62. Some stars are surrounded by faint halos of material. These halos glow softly, reflecting light from the star itself. They are shaped over time by gentle radiation and slow-moving winds. Nothing about a star exists in isolation. Every part influences another. Fact 63. Stars can slightly wobble as planets orbit them. This tiny motion helps astronomers discover distant worlds. By watching a star's gentle movement, scientists learn about unseen planets, their size, and their distance. Even the smallest shift can reveal something meaningful when observed patiently. Fact 64. Some stars form in quiet regions of space. Others are born in crowded stellar neighborhoods. Despite these differences, their early lives follow similar paths. Gravity gathers material, heat slowly rises, and light eventually appears. Creation unfolds calmly, regardless of location. Fact 65. Stars respond to gravity without resistance. They do not struggle against the forces acting on them. Instead, they settle into balance, adjusting slowly, finding stability over time. This gentle acceptance allows stars to exist for unimaginably long periods. The universe shows us how yielding can create endurance. Fact 66. Some stars travel at high speeds through their galaxies. These runaway stars were gently pushed by gravitational encounters. Though they move quickly, their journeys last millions of years. Even fast motion can feel slow on a cosmic scale, unrushed and quiet. Fact 67. The light from stars spreads outward in all directions. It does not aim or choose. It simply expands, filling space evenly. Over time, this light becomes faint, yet it never truly disappears. Energy continues onward, changing form, but never vanishing. Fact 68. Stars help define the shape of constellations. These patterns are imagined by humans, not created by the stars themselves. The stars within a constellation are often very far apart, connected only by our perspective. Still, these shapes help us feel oriented, bringing familiarity to the night sky. Fact 69. Many stars will outlive every mountain, every ocean, and every city on Earth. Their slow timelines stretch far beyond human experience. This perspective can feel calming, reminding us that urgency is temporary. The universe continues patiently, regardless of brief moments. Fact 70. Stars do not rush toward their endings. They complete each stage of life fully and without resistance. Birth, shining, change, and rest. Each phase arrives naturally, when the time is right. As you rest, you can allow your own thoughts to follow that same gentle rhythm. Fact 71. Stars appear fixed in the sky, but over thousands of years, their positions slowly change. This gentle movement is called proper motion. If humans lived long enough, the constellations would gradually reshape, forming new patterns. Change happens quietly, even when it feels invisible. Fact 72. Some stars are surrounded by faint rings of dust. These rings reflect starlight softly, creating delicate halos. Over time, the material in these rings can clump together, forming planets or moons. From simple dust, complex systems slowly emerge, without hurry. Fact 73. Stars gently warm the space around them. This warmth affects how nearby gas moves, slowing or speeding its flow. Through temperature alone, stars influence their environment, without contact and without sound. Energy travels quietly, shaping space in subtle ways. Fact 74. Some stars are born in long chains, stretching across nebulae. These stellar nurseries form when gravity acts across wide regions. Star birth can happen together, yet each star remains unique. Creation often happens in groups, yet individuality is preserved. Fact 75. The oldest stars contain clues about the early universe. They formed before many heavy elements existed. By studying their light, scientists learn how the first stars lived and how the universe slowly grew richer. These ancient stars act like memories, quietly holding stories from long ago. Fact 76. Some stars appear to change color as they age. As their temperature shifts, their light moves toward redder hues. This change happens slowly, over millions of years. It is not a sign of weakness, but a natural transition toward rest. Fact 77. Stars emit particles along with light. These particles flow outward, forming stellar winds. Though extremely thin, these winds travel far, interacting gently with surrounding space. Over time, they influence the shape of nebulae and the boundaries between stars. Invisible motion can still have lasting effects. Fact 78. Some stars are part of long-lived systems that remain stable for billions of years. Their orbits are carefully balanced, neither too close nor too far apart. This stability allows planets to follow calm paths, creating predictable cycles. Balance makes longevity possible in both stars and systems. Fact 79. Stars do not create sound as we understand it. Space is too empty to carry noise. All stellar events happen in complete silence. Even the largest explosions produce no sound in space. The universe performs its grandest events without a single whisper. Silence is the natural language of space. Fact 80. When you look at the stars, your eyes receive light that has traveled immense distances. That light enters quietly, without force. In that moment, you are connected to something vast and ancient. You do not need to understand it, only to rest with it. Fact 81. Stars slowly drift apart as galaxies expand. Over vast stretches of time, the universe grows larger, carrying stars with it. This expansion happens evenly, without a center and without an edge. Every star moves, yet none are rushing, all carried by the same gentle flow. Fact 82. Some stars shine steadily for billions of years without dramatic change. These stable stars provide consistent light and warmth to their planets. Such long-term steadiness allows complex systems to develop slowly. Consistency creates space for growth, for balance, and for calm. Fact 83. Stars help define time. Their predictable movements inspired early calendars, seasons, and navigation. By watching the sky, humans learn to measure change without clocks. Even now, stars remind us that time flows naturally, without needing to be controlled. Fact 84. Some stars emit powerful light in very focused beams. When these beams point toward Earth, they can be detected from across the galaxy. Despite their strength, these emissions follow strict patterns. Power, when balanced, can remain controlled and calm. Fact 85. Stars shape the chemical makeup of galaxies. Through fusion and release, they distribute elements throughout space. Over many generations, this process increases complexity. Simple beginnings gradually lead to richer systems. Without intention, only time. Fact 86. Some stars are so faint they can only be seen with powerful telescopes. Their light is gentle, spread thin across distance. Even faint stars contribute to the universe's structure. Brightness is not required to have significance. Presence alone is enough. Fact 87. Stars influence one another through gravity. Even when separated by great distances, their mass subtly alters motion. This influence travels endlessly, never switching off. Everything in space affects something else, even if the connection is barely noticeable. Fact 88. The night sky you see changes slowly over centuries. Stars rise and set in different places as Earth's axis shifts. This movement is gradual and constant. The sky is never frozen, only moving too slowly for daily notice. Change can be peaceful when it unfolds gently. Fact 89. Some stars act as markers for distance and scale. Their known brightness helps astronomers measure how far away galaxies are. These stars serve as quiet references, anchors in the vastness. Measurement brings understanding without diminishing mystery. Fact 90. Stars do not seek attention. They shine because physical balance allows them to. There is no effort, no intention, only natural process. In their quiet existence, stars remind us that being does not require striving. As you listen, you can rest without needing to do anything at all.